Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bitcoin chart planning update video. For this one, we're going to start off quickly by briefing yesterday's last video. So we were looking at potentially two different scenarios that can unfold currently as we move through the rest of this week and into next week as well, which is if we are going to see a jump from here, or we're going to or a jump from here back into all these swing highs that we have here, or we're going to break even lower into this purple Fibonacci extension area I have down here as well. So a little breakdown of what happened this morning so far with Bitcoin is we continue to see further consolidation right here in this area, but we have not met the current low of this swing. This one swing low right here, which is down here in this area. We're just seeing some consolidation here, working its way closer to this downsending resistance line right here in yellow. So that means that nothing has really happened. We're still just waiting. Nothing has happened or changed from yesterday's video. We're still waiting to see if Bitcoin is either going to break down further or higher, depending if we see any trades around the resistance area. So if Bitcoin continues to consolidate, eventually it would either have to be rejected from this yellow line right here, move lower into the bottom range, or it's going to see it break over the yellow resistance, trade inside this blue Fibonacci retracement area, as well as eventually breaking higher. Now, this blue Fibonacci retracement area has not changed either. Since we haven't broken below this yellow line, it still stays intact. So if we see price hit $65,169, from there we will need to see it break over or be rejected and then continue consolidating from there as well. But just to summarize it, again, as of right now, due to this extended sell-off that we've had here recently, it passed the original 0.5 retracement that we had prior, which you can see in yesterday's video, which tells me that the bears are a lot stronger during this trend than we would prefer for long positions, which means that we can easily see one more low, bringing the three-wave correction or finishing the three-wave correction right here in this purple area. And then in order for that to happen, or at least further confirmation of that to happen, will be continued selling off following this yellow resistance area. Although even if we do break over the yellow, we still need our second level confirmation, which is breaking over the 0.5 retracement that we have here in light blue. So first confirmation, break over this resistance that's following the price, and then break over the 0.5 resistance as well, and trade or hold and trade in this area, and then eventually break over the 0.618 as well. But if we go into the 0.5, even break it slightly, but we don't hold it, if we hit the 0.5 and get rejected and then fall back down to 0.35, then there's a very highly likely chance that it's just a little bit more of a more corrective move as we continue down more into the purple. Regardless, both of these scenarios, rather we just continue straight down into the purple and then eventually move higher. All these scenarios are, long-term bullish. They both see prices eventually reaching our first short-term highs of, and also new all-time highs of, roughly 76,000 in this green area up here. So to wrap up this video, I want to quickly show you guys one more thing, which is the overall wave count of this bullish market win. So currently we are on the fourth structure of this overall fifth wave move up. So ever since the start of this bull market, we've seen a 1, 2, 3, and we're still trying to figure out where the fourth wave is going to end. Either it already ended already, or it's going to end very soon. But we are still looking for the final dip in, or the final confirmation for the fourth wave, and then the fifth wave, conservatively, will bring us somewhere around like $120,000 for this bull market, which is in these dark green fib extensions up there. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I see the current trend being. It's just all my opinion. Don't trade purely off of this chart you're seeing in front of you. It's always good to do your own due diligence, and every decision you make in these markets are really just up to you and your own. Uh, Risk tolerance. This is just me showing you guys how I personally structure my own trades and how I manage my own trades as well, and what I personally look for. So one more time, guys, we're either going to continue respecting this downward yellow resistance into further breaking down into the purple, or we're going to finally see a break over the yellow resistance, and from there we'll see if we're going to respect or get rejected by the 0.5 fib retracement, and then from there we can start seeing if we're going to hold it or not. And then if that were to happen, I'll give you guys a more detailed breakdown on that. But as of right now, the next step is which of the two directions we're going to go. So as consolidation continues, we'll see if within the next 7 days, probably within the next like 2 or 3 days max, in my opinion, we should finally see a break in either direction. But for now, we're just being patient because, again, it's very important to be cautious and patient traders in a volatile market. It's not good to always just be impatient and jump into trades and all that stuff. It's always good to keep it cool, just keep it collected. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope this made sense. On the next update video or any other video I got coming up tomorrow, then we're going to focus on Marathon Digital Holdings stock, MARA. I'm planning to do a chart planning video for that as well. But either way, I'll catch you guys soon, and take care.